The disaster in the Tokachi region of Japan has left residents in a critical situation due to an unprecedented amount of snow that has fallen in a short period of time. Tokachi is known for its beautiful landscapes and mild winter climate, but this time nature has taken an extreme turn, surprising both residents and authorities alike. The impact of the storm has been devastating, with public transportation paralyzed and roads closed. Emergency services have had difficulty accessing affected areas, complicating the response to incidents and medical emergencies. Many people have had to dig their way out of their homes, with some even escaping through windows to get out of the accumulated snow. Authorities have worked tirelessly to clear roads and restore basic services, but the process has been slow and challenging. Snow has reached the roofs of some homes, raising concerns about the structural integrity of buildings. Walking on compacted snow also poses a risk, as falls and even collapses of structures are imminent dangers. The local government has prioritized assistance to the most vulnerable people, including the elderly and those with disabilities. Warnings have been issued for residents to stay in their homes and follow official instructions to ensure their safety. The snowfall has deeply altered daily life in Tokachi. Schools have closed, and many businesses have suspended their operations until further notice. Shopping or visiting family and friends has become extremely difficult due to the accumulation of snow and lack of transportation. Although some have found ways to enjoy the snow, such as organizing community gatherings and outdoor activities, most residents are just hoping the situation returns to normal as soon as possible. Those who can, work from home, but power outages have made even this temporary solution difficult. In the city of Obihiro, in Hokkaido, on February 4, 2025, an unprecedented snowstorm was recorded. The snowfall broke historical records, with 112 centimeters of snow falling in just 12 hours, increasing the total snow depth from 5 centimeters to over 120 centimeters. This storm was caused by a rapidly intensifying low-pressure system over the Sea of Japan, which created a combination of cold Arctic air and moist oceanic conditions that led to extreme snowfall. Public transportation in Obihiro completely collapsed. Trains, buses, and flights were canceled due to reduced visibility and the inability to quickly clear tracks and runways. Roads became impassable, with stranded vehicles blocking key routes. Snowplows struggled to keep up with the snow accumulation. Educational institutions closed due to the dangerous weather, and many businesses also suspended their activities. Although some workers tried to continue their work remotely, power outages in various areas made this option difficult. Meanwhile, residents found themselves trapped in their homes, with snow blocking doors and windows, requiring immediate removal efforts to avoid structural damage. Emergency services were overwhelmed, responding to numerous incidents, from traffic accidents to carbon monoxide poisoning due to blocked ventilation systems. Additionally, the storm had a strong impact on the local economy, with businesses closed and the agricultural sector severely affected. Greenhouses suffered damage from the weight of the snow. Supply chains were disrupted, and livestock farmers faced difficulties feeding and sheltering their animals. The government deployed additional resources to clear roads and restore essential services, but the magnitude of the storm made the process slow. Residents were advised to stay home and avoid unnecessary travel. as well as to clear areas around heating systems to prevent poisoning. Meteorologists compared this event to other extreme storms in Hokkaido's history, concluding that the speed and snow accumulation this time were highly unusual. This has sparked debates about the need to improve snow management infrastructure and emergency response planning. Although the storm decreased in intensity later in the day, warnings were issued about the danger of icy roads and other weather risks in the following days. Snow clearing would take several days, with priority given to main routes and public transportation. Another point affected by the extreme snowfall was the city of Kushiro, where 129 centimeters of snow was recorded in a single day due to the interaction of two low-pressure systems. Roads and rail services were completely closed, while the airports in Obihiro and Kushiro suspended operations, leaving numerous flights stranded. Authorities received a high number of emergency calls from drivers trapped in the snow. However, residents also took the initiative, working together to remove the snow and help stranded vehicles. Around 370 schools in Hokkaido canceled classes due to the situation, and essential services, such as mail and package delivery, experienced significant delays. The Japan Meteorological Agency warned of the possibility of more snow in the coming days, with a projection of up to 100 centimeters additional in the northwest of the country and 50 centimeters in Hokkaido. Citizens were urged to keep emergency supplies in their vehicles, including food, thermal clothing, and snow tools. Despite the severity of the event, no serious injuries or major structural damage were reported. Municipal crews and volunteers immediately began cleaning efforts, trying to restore normalcy as soon as possible. This historic event has highlighted the challenges faced by regions prone to extreme snowfall and the importance of strengthening winter emergency preparedness. The rapid accumulation of snow also raised concerns about avalanches and roof collapses, leading to reinforced safety warnings to the population. The snowstorm that hit Hokkaido and other regions of Japan in February 2025 has been an unprecedented event, with significant impacts on infrastructure, the economy, and daily life for residents. Although the community has shown resilience and solidarity in the face of the crisis, the disaster has underscored the need to improve response systems to such extreme weather phenomena.